G'day everybody, welcome back to more of my forging adventures. Today I'm going to be completing my cutlery set. I'll show you what they look like now, but I don't actually have them with me. But they're very much similar to, I think his name's Chandler. I'll link a description, a link his channel in the description below. He's a very talented blacksmith, and he's actually where I go to learn basically everything that I do. So yeah, you've probably seen him on YouTube before. Anyway, I'm not trying to take credit away from what he does, because it is his own style and everything like that, and he's very good at it. I'm just having a go at making something that he's already done. But yeah, I'll put links in the description and everything like that. Go check him out, give him a thumbs up, give him a subscribe. You'll love his videos. Dust in my coffee. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I think I'm about ready to start. Okay, so it's a little bit wider on one end now. So at this point I'm just squaring it out a little bit. Just trying to find out which way I want my shape to go. Yeah, I think it's good. Alright guys, time to get this thing up to red hot, and we're going to start actually forming the basic shape of the spoon.
Now it's just working it back and forth.
I'm running out of battery, so look at that. Cloud perfectly blocking out the sun pretty well the entirety of the day. perfect because otherwise this would be like hecka hot. It's like, what, 30, no, 25 degrees this morning before the cloud blocked out the sky. So, as you can see, you got a little bit more of a radius on this side. It's pretty close. Don't know whether I'm going to get any closer. Okay, I drew it out a little bit, I had to change battery. Very hot. Oh. Three pliers. Close but no to go. Actually, I'll probably just beat this over, so that's what I'm... This is one of the very few moments where you'll see wood being used in black kind of thing, but this is to help create a bowl effect for the spoon, like a little bit at the end of the spoon bit. Anyway, so this is going to help create the bowl in conjunction with a ball peen hammer. Because this is a softwood, I don't have to pre-make the bowl into the wood. It should just burn it in. However, at the same time, because it's a softwood, I have to keep it wet. Otherwise, I'm going to lose my wood, and it's going to catch fire. It'll probably catch fire anyway, but yeah, we're just going to deal with that as it comes. Safety glasses. Just going to brush up the back of it. And I'm going to go for another heat. I'm going to get it a little bit hotter this time. That's one of the main things about using a block of wood, a block of softwood, is because you have to keep it wet. Because you have to keep it wet, it will take the heat away from the piece of metal that you're working with really quickly. So you just got to keep the moisture up on this, and you got to keep heating up your work. Keep the heat on your work really high. That's a big lump for some reason. So I melted this a little bit. Probably got too hot. The rest of this, I'm pretty sure I can just fix up with a file later. So I'm going to do this quench for the hook, and then we're done. Okay. For a project that hasn't used any kind of power tool at all, I think this cutlery set turned out really well. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like, and if you didn't, feel free to tell me all about it in the comment section. Cheers.